Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can change vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now click on sound and vibration. And over here you can click on sound and tap on the switcher next to vibrate while ringing to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. But you can also click on vibrate. This way you will mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. Now scroll down, tap on call vibration pattern and select one of the patterns by tapping on the chosen one. Go back and do the same to notification vibration pattern. Then click on vibration intensity and adjust intensity of touch vibrations by swiping left or right. When you're done, you can always go into System Sound, Vibration Control, and over here, scroll down, tap on the switchers next to all of these vibration features to enable or disable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!